Are you looking for the best benchtop jointer? Here we will break down the top 5 best benchtop jointers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Porter Cable Benchtop Jointer, PC160JT. One of the biggest perks with this porter cable wood jointer is that it includes variable speed functionality. This jointer has a 10 amp motor which provides 1.5 horsepower. This machine can start out at 6,000 RPM and go all the way up to 11,000 RPM. There is also a cutter headlock that keeps the machine as safe as possible. The table is 30 inches long for plenty of room to work with long and thick boards. It's simple to adjust and change out a pair of steel knives, and making changes to the fence is just as easy. The fence for this jointer has positive stops of 45 and 90 degrees to make operating easy. It supports your wood throughout the process of the cut due to the mounting method for accurate edge jointing. It also has a 4-inch dust port to keep things clean. At number 2. Festool 574432 Domino Joiner Df 500Q set. The new Domino Joiner Df 500Q set is a revolutionary, durable, and highly effective joining system by the Festool manufacturer. While it is not the most affordable unit in the market today, it will offer you a good value for your money. It offers a powerful 420W motor. This motor is capable of delivering 24,300 RPM to the joiner blades for one of the finest cutting performance you can get today. Having been specifically designed to offer accurate joiner experience, the unit allows you to create miter cuts between 0 and 90 degrees. The tool has positive stops at 67.4, 45 and 22.5 degrees. This makes it ideal for repetitive use. Additionally, it is equipped with indexing pins that may be used to join the panels or line edges. Rather than having a dust collection system, this jointer features an innovative dust extraction system. That system allows you to join your Festool Domino Jointer to the external dust extraction system in your workshop. This allows you to create cleaner joinery work for that professional look. At number 3. Craftsman Benchtop Jointer, CMEW020. Running through the basics of this device. It enjoys the maneuverable weight of 39.8 pounds, a motor that can go all the way from 110 to 120 V, giving the varied speed of 6,000 to 11,000 RPM. Such speed allows for 22,000 cuts per minute. It has a 2-knife cutter head system with a jack screw arrangement, which allows for easy access. It is a relatively small device that will fit in a compact space in your garage or workshop while still comfortably maneuvering 6-inch pieces of either hard or soft wood. Finding blades and spare parts for the Craftsman is relatively easy as they are manufactured and sold by the company itself. The fence, which acts as a support system plus the built-in person headlock, prevents any damage that can happen to the wood ends, ensuring a sleek finish. It is entirely manufactured of metal with an aluminum base. It comes with your standard dust port of 2.5 inches, plus a filter bag. At number 4. 6. Benchtop Jointer 37071. This particular benchtop jointer is one of the most desired pieces of equipment for its power and exceptional performance. What's even intriguing is that it comes at an affordable price. In a nutshell, it is compact, solid, and very simple to use. The Delta Power Tools 37-0716-inch features a construction that is all business. It has been constructed in such a way that it ensures that vibrations are minimized. The build, unlike the other types made of aluminum, features a cast iron fashioning. It runs on a single-phase 120V 12-amp motor, which, surprisingly, spins the blades at 10,000 RPM. The table is engineered with utmost precision and can handle all types of wood regardless of their hardness. It measures 28.5 inches long. This means that it can accommodate stocks up to 5 inches long, without necessarily offering extra support. Measuring 22 and 7/8 inches, the fence can be simply adjusted. It is equipped to make 2 stops at the 45 and 90 degree angles. At these positions, you get to enjoy the ability to join your pieces together. However, the fence might be out of alignment. This unit comes with a dust blower that ensures all the flying debris is taken care of. There is one thing you have to keep in mind though. If you are looking for a benchtop jointer with a sprawling table, you might want to consider other options. At number 5. JetJ JP8BT 8 inches Jointer Planer Combo. For anyone who is low on space and wants to achieve a lot, the JetJ JP8BT is the perfect fit. With a powerful 13-amp motor, this jointer gives you 18,000 woodcuts in a minute, craving wood effortlessly. An important feature of this joint is that this is a machine that comes with 2 tools: benchtop jointer and a planer. It also comes with an 8-inch board width, which is also the greatest selling point. Anyone who is working with wider boards, the tool at this price and size will be a high plus point. Although there have been complaints about loose bolts, mismanagement of in-feed and out-feed tables, and the dust collection ports made of plastic which are prone to cracking under pressure,